Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson of the day. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine. Okay, as for today, we will continue our lesson on this topic, and today the topic of the lesson will be recipe. So, what is a recipe? Recipe is an instruction on how to cook something. If you want to cook anything you like, you have to know the recipe. So what do we have in a recipe? Alright, if you cannot see clearly in this video, you can take out your textbook and go to page 66. Alright, so on this page, as you can see on the screen right now, okay, go full screen. Alright, so here are two recipes of healthy wraps you can try at home. Wraps are something like kebab. Okay, those are wraps. Okay, right here we have the ingredients. This one is for black pepper chicken wrap, and on another side we have grilled chicken salad wrap. Alright, let's look at the ingredients for black pepper chicken wrap. Ingredients: tortilla bread or chapati, the round bread, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon meaning just 1 spoon of vegetable oil, you take 1 spoon, half onion sliced, onion, bawang, half, you cut it in half, separuh, sliced, 50 gram boneless chicken breast, 50 gram dada ayam, cut into 2 cm per piece, you cut it small, freshly ground black pepper, 1 black pepper lada hitam, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 50 gram French beans thinly sliced, 50 gram carrot thinly sliced, 2 Romanian lettuce sayur lah. Okay, so those are ingredients for black pepper chicken wrap. And for grilled chicken salad wrap, as you can see in the picture here, the ingredients needed are whole grain wraps, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 spoons, 1 onion, 1 whole onion minced, 2 boneless chicken breasts cut into 2 cm per piece, similar to black pepper chicken wrap, half teaspoon freshly ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of low-fat mayonnaise. Okay, what is the difference between teaspoon and tablespoons here? Teaspoon is the small spoon, while tablespoons are the regular one, the big one that you used to eat. So those are tablespoons. Teaspoons is smaller. You use it to stir your tea, so that's why we call it teaspoon. 50 gram asparagus, 50 gram carrot thinly sliced, 2 butterhead lettuce, another vegetable. So if you want to cook anything, you need to refer to a recipe and you need to know all the ingredients. Okay, for example, if you want to cook what is simple example, you need fried rice. You want to cook fried rice, so what do you need to cook fried rice? Of course, you need rice, maybe some pepper, chilies, onions, oil, salt, spices, ketchup, and then alright, when you get the ingredients ready, then we go into instructions. Every recipe must have instructions. Okay, they should have an instructions for you to follow. Okay, so for this, how to cook black pepper chicken wrap, step number 1, heat a tablespoon of oil on a non-stick pan. Heat, panaskan, oil, minyak. Saute the onion. Saute in Malay we call it tumis. Okay, tumis. Add chicken once the onion is soft. You see the onion is soft in the pan, then you put in chicken. Add pepper and soy sauce. Mix well, kacau, and transfer the black pepper chicken to a plate. Okay, then steam or blanch the French beans. Take a piece of chapati or wrap. Place the lettuce, vegetable mix and chicken in the middle of the wrap. So you open up the wrap, put in the chicken, vegetable and everything in the middle of the wrap, and then fold and roll it so it become a perfectly wrapped, black pepper chicken wrap, and then serve it with sauce. Okay, those are the steps, 10 steps to make black pepper chicken wrap. Alright, so these instructions you must follow them in order. Okay, meaning you have to go from number 1 until number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cannot skip, you cannot do it the other way around. For example, you want to start with number 10. That is not possible. How can you serve it first without cooking it? Alright, you must follow the instructions in the order given in the recipe. So basically this is very simple lesson. Alright, done with that, I need you to click on the link that I have given you in your WhatsApp group, and you see something like this. Okay, as usual, you can see the date for today, 4th of July, the title, recipes, write down your name, your full name here, don't mess around. And then I need you to click this link right here, live worksheet. Click the link here and it will take you to this page. Alright, so here is the exercise for today, the recipe to make butter cookies recipe. So for this particular exercise, you need to do it here. So how do you do it? Let's see the instructions. Ingredients: complete with the correct cooking ingredients. Drag and drop. Drag and drop means you click, for example, butter, you put it at the space given. For example, 400 gram of butter, or maybe 200 gram or 250, whatever you think that is right. And then sugar, maybe 200 gram of sugar. Vanilla essence, maybe 1 teaspoon. Flour, 400 gram. Eggs, 2 eggs. Okay, those are the ingredients. And the same thing for the instructions or directions. You have the answers up here. Just drag them and put them down here. Alright, so I'm not going to tell you what are the answers here. You need to read and look up. If you don't know what's the meaning of this, you can use your dictionaries, or you can just Google it, or you can just ask your parents or your siblings. Alright, when you are done, when you have placed all the answers in the space given, now you click finish. Alright, when you click finish, you'll be given these two options: check my answers or email my answers. You need to click on this, check my answers. So give it a minute. Alright, then the web will check the answers for you. So see, my answers, these two are wrong, so I didn't answer the rest of this, so they are wrong. This is also wrong, this is not the correct answer, don't copy me. And you need to look at the score. So out of 10 questions, I only get 2 out of 10. So now you have your score. You go back to your Google form and write your score here. What's your score? So I will write 2 here because I got 2 just now. So just write 2 and then submit. Alright, so basically that's the lesson for today. I hope I'll see you next time. Thank you and take care.